Elite.
The preferred choice.
Phenomenal.
It's a do-it-all product.
Efficient.
Fantastic.
I'm gonna do 2 words. 1 is family, and 2, innovative.
The Easy Street family is great. Everyone is so easygoing and really takes you in.
And it's not just a business relationship, so you lean on each other. You may not talk to each other or everybody all the time, but when you do, it's like no time has been missed.
Every single producer helps form the total fabric of Easy Street worldwide. And the network that has been built over the last 30 years is not only wide, it's really deep. In that depth, you've got these relationships that span decades, from Seattle, Washington, to Jacksonville, Florida, to Melbourne, Australia. And it's those relationships, the people, that make all the difference.
I would say this ConExpo in 2026 is different from all the others that we've attended because of the quantity of people we have here from Easy Street all around the world, and the energy that people are commenting about how big Easy Street really is.
We love coming to the events like such because we get to see the entire team, and the relationship and the partnership's just so much different from some of the other ones that we have. It's very intentional, the communication is pure, and it feels very organic.
This is my 4th ConExpo, and I have to tell you, this is the best trade show on planet Earth. If you are in the construction industry or growing in the construction industry, this is hands down the place you need to be in terms of equipment and in terms of networking. This is a fantastic experience, and I recommend it to everybody. It gets better every time I come.
I'm really looking forward to seeing all the vendors, having the opportunity to talk with current customers and new clients that will come to the booth.
Our goal obviously is to gather as many contacts and business opportunities that we can to help grow our business in our territory as great as we possibly can.
I think Easy Street is pushing forward in an industry that has historically moved at a very slow pace. So we're here to counteract that and really push forward through all the old misconceptions of the asphalt world and show them what Easy Street Ambient is all about.
What I'm looking forward to in 2026 is definitely our software development. We have done leaps and bounds compared to previous years. We are just iterating quickly, working at the speed of tech at Easy Street, and really pushing each other to be better and better every single day.